Hello everyone, welcome once again. In this video, I will be sharing with you how to make suya spice at home. So these are the ingredients that we'll be needing to make this recipe. First, I have kwili, which is the main ingredients that we'll be using for this recipe. And next we have a ginger powder, we have some chili pepper, and also the fourth ingredient we'll be using is some onions powder. Also, I have some garlic powder here. Also, we have some calabash nutmeg powder here. If you don't have the powder, this is how it actually look like. So if you don't have the powder, you can also use this and you are good to go. And also we have some turmeric powder here. I have here some peppercorn, some cloves, negro pepper, seasoning cube, and finally salt for our recipe. So I'll go ahead to blend the ingredients that are not blended. First, I'll be going in with my kwili, which is made from peanuts. Then the chili pepper. I'll add to it the negro pepper. Also, I will be adding to it the clove, the peppercorn, and lastly, our seasoning cube. I'll be listing out all the measurements of ingredients used for making this suya spice in the description box. And after transferring the blended ingredients into the blender, I'll cover and blend them smoothly. And after blending for some time and it becomes smooth, I will turn off the blender. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as I have more great videos for you. And next, I will open the blender. You can see how smooth it is. So I will be adding the other ingredients to it and mix together with the blender once again. So I'll start by adding the calabash nutmeg to it. Next, I'll be going in with the turmeric powder and also the onions powder. And next, I'll add to it the garlic powder. And also, I will be adding the ginger powder. And lastly, I will add the salt and mix together with the blender. And after mixing all the ingredients with the blender, I will turn off the blender. Then our suya spice is ready. Then transfer into an airtight container. Suya spice can be used for coating of meat before grill or roasting. And you can see how our soya spice came out. It came out smooth and very beautiful. This is so easy and simple to make at home. In my next video, I will show you how to make homemade suya with suya spice. And please don't forget to like and share this video. Suya spice can give your roasted yam, potato chips, plantain chips a spicy kick. Thanks so much for spending your time with me. God bless.